and today we're talking about Google Analytics and how to set up a dashboard. Michelle Held here from metrony.com, where you could follow me online on my website or on YouTube for digital e-commerce, online marketing tips, tricks, tutorials. And today we're talking about Google Analytics and how to set up a dashboard. So if you're not already using Google Analytics for your website to track data, that's a pretty easy installation, and I talk about it on my website, metrony.com. So if you already have Google Analytics installed on your website and you want to get a custom view of your data, you can come into Analytics and we can see all kinds of intelligence events here. They even have real-time data. One of my favorites is seeing the audience overview, but I also really like looking at the audience and where they come from, and of course acquisition, especially if it has to do with social media marketing. So here we are, and what we're going to do is come into Analytics. I'm already logged in, and go up in the upper left. That's the first thing you'll see in the expanded or unexpanded view. So we're going to look at dashboards. I already have two installed as a private dashboard, but I'm going to show you how to set one up as a new dashboard. So if you click on New, Google Analytics has a starter dashboard, which I don't find it the most useful thing in the world, and it kind of gives you the same view of all this data that was already over here on the left. I like to go to the gallery and look at some of the samples that they have there that are already done. A lot of times you can download a dashboard and then just modify to suit your needs. So if you want to narrow it down a little bit, maybe you want to look at conversion data. That's a favorite for business owners. The social media dashboard is one I already have installed. Referral traffic, that's a great one. Let's import that one. You see it already has 32,000 installations. So I'm going to just install it right where I am in the view that I am in, because I have a lot of properties added to my account. And we'll look at this. Many of them require a little more tuning. You have to go to edit each dashboard. But the one that actually I had that already installed, so it is my favorite. I installed one before I turn on this video, 70 facts about your visitors. So this is a 1 month view. It's April 5th to May 5th, 2016. And it tells me how many unique visitors. And this is actually just on one page. The way this account is set up, this Google Analytics account is set up, this is a view of one page. So how many unique visitors the page had, the website had, smartphone, tablets, and visitors. And amazingly, it's not anywhere near even 50% of the page's traffic. And laptop, desktop users, so you see the majority are coming via desktop. Tells you a little bit about the users, probably their age range as well. And then a breakdown of devices, mobile devices, country the users are coming from, primarily US traffic, and at what city. So if you're going to be running any kind of marketing campaign, paid marketing campaign, this can help you with your geo-targeting. And then brands of your visitors, mobile tablet, and screen resolution. This particular dashboard also tells you about your visitors and their favorite browsers. So that's just one example of a dashboard that you can install. We'll take a look at the referral traffic dashboard as well. This gives you visitors and bounce rate by source, and then a little bit about contact page. So this isn't set up. It takes a little bit more tuning, and you can come in here and choose what metric you want to track with this particular widget. You can have, I think, up to about 12 widgets per dashboard, and you can also add segment data. So I could add a preset segment, like I have one here for Facebook paid, but this account doesn't do Facebook paid, so we could just take a look at the direct traffic instead, which means that's traffic that's the referrer is lost, and you can get a comparison. It can take a few minutes to load, but here you see all users versus direct traffic. So that's how you set up a dashboard on Google Analytics. There are thousands of them. You can customize your own. You can have a bunch under private, and you can also share them out as well to other users. Keep in mind, it does not save your segment data. If whoever you shared with it makes a change, it does not make a change to your view. And this will give you a lot of good information and a breakdown on what's going on with your website. If there's an issue, where's your biggest source of traffic, helps you out with paid campaigns as well as organic and social media. Check me out online, MichelleHowland, MetroNY.com, digital marketing, online marketing, social media, tips, tricks, and tutorials.